Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about Python. I'm just going to share with you some basic stuff about Python. So let's get started by talking about what is Python and also why we use it. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language, and we use it because it is very easy to learn, and the way we write code in Python is easy, is very simple, and also, it makes a very good first language for someone that's new to programming. Another thing is that it's free for anyone to use, so we don't have to pay for it. And the final reason is many people make libraries or they share their code so that people like you and me can use it to make our own code. Okay, now let's talk about how Python runs our code. So it does something called REPL, where R is for read, it reads our code line by line, and then it does everything we ask it to, or it executes everything we ask it to, and then it provides us an output, which is print. It prints us an output, and then it does everything all over again until we make it stop. Alright, so now let's get into our terminal and let's write some simple Python code. So to start writing Python code in your terminal, you just type in Python, and now we can start writing. So let's just write print hello world, and what this does is when I say print, it's going to print whatever's in this parentheses and quotation marks exactly. So when I hit enter here, it's going to give me hello world. But this isn't a great way to run your Python code. So let's get into Python files. So what you want to do is you want to open any text editor. I'm using Sublime Text. And let's do the exact same thing. Let's say print hello world. And now let's save it. So you just say save, and it'll give you this, and then you can name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it hello, and then you have to put a .py here. The .py means that it's telling your computer that it is a Python file. So when your computer knows that this is used to run Python. So I'm just gonna say save, and now if you go back to your Sublime Text or your text editor, it's giving me that now it knows that this print is a function and that whatever I'm putting in here, it's going to print out. So now we go back to our terminal, and if you want to get out of Python, you just say Control-D, and then we just say Python hello.py, and it'll run it. Oh, oops, I forgot one thing. You have to change your directory. So I saved mine to the desktop. So you just say cd, and then you say /desktop. Now it can run things from your desktop. So now I can say python hello.py, and it'll give me hello world. So there you go. That was your very first Python file execution. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about variables and data types. But for now, that's all.